Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the life of one of the most influential artists of our generation, Billie Eilish. From her iconic style to her chart-topping hits, Billie has taken the world by storm, and we've got 10 amazing facts about her that you probably didn't know. So grab your headphones, sit back, and let's get started. First up, did you know Billie's middle name is Pirate? Yeah, you heard that right. Billie Eilish Pirate Baird O'Connell. Her older brother, Phineas, came up with the idea to give her the middle name Pirate, and honestly, it totally suits her edgy vibe. How cool is that? Next, Billie made history when she became the youngest female artist ever to have a #1 album in the UK. At just 17 years old, her debut album When We All Fall Asleep, Where Do We Go? Hit the top spot in 2019. Talk about starting strong, right? Billie didn't just pop up on the scene overnight. She's been releasing music since she was just 14 years old. Her first viral hit, Ocean Eyes, was uploaded to SoundCloud back in 2016, and when she woke up the next morning, the song had gone viral. That was just the beginning. You might not know this, but Billie writes all her music with her older brother, Phineas. In fact, they recorded a lot of her debut album in a bedroom. That's right, no fancy studios, just pure sibling magic. It's so cool how they've been working together from the start. Here's a fun fact, Billie Eilish is a huge Justin Bieber fan. She even got to live out her dream when Justin remixed her song Bad Guy. And there you have it, 5 amazing facts about Billie Eilish that prove just how incredible she is. From being a vegan activist to making history at Glastonbury, Billie is a true trailblazer. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content.